Cannabis, big up yourself, because your birthday is soon forward. 125,000, I'm going to promote VIP show, the egg shop Monday, all over Instagram.
I think I'm going to follow us because tonight we're going live streaming Cannabis Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Blew the coupe at 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. But I don't give you my last name. No, you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby.
Cannabis Selfie TV, we are watch.